Hello, my dear students. I am Jayashree Venkatachalam. Today, I am going to talk about three-sector model circular flow. We know that three-sector model is a closed economy model. What do you mean by closed economy? Closed economic model is the model where there is no foreign trade. That means whatever is produced is consumed and moving within the economy itself. Three-sector model is based on Y is equivalent to C plus I plus G. Y is income, C is consumption, I is investment, and G is the government sector. John Maynard Keynes, he has emphasized this model, and this model has become very popular after the Great Depression of 1930. Three-sector model, we know that first sector is the household, second sector is the firm, third sector is the government. We know that household sector are the owners of factors of production: land, labor, capital, and organization. Firms are the business unit. Why the role of a government has become very important all on a sudden? The Great Depression of 1930 that has proved the world that laissez-faire can no longer exist. The market mechanism proved itself as a failure. There was lot of unemployment in the economy and all over the world. So Keynes has emphasized the government to interfere in the economy. So what is the role of government? How the government is helping the household sector? Government gives transfer income to the household sector. Government also gives salary, that is transfer income in the form of pension and other social security measures to the household sector. Government has to maintain equality in the system as such. When they are helping the household sector, they have to help the firms also. So how does the government help the firms? Look here, government gives subsidy to the firms, then government also make purchases. This point. Government is helping the firms by two ways. One, it is giving subsidy. Second, it is making the purchase. First, let me explain what do you mean by subsidy. Subsidy means the financial help which is given by the government. How does Government of India give the subsidy? Subsidy is given in the form of fertilizer subsidy, credit subsidy, education subsidy. Government is in food subsidy. For example, farmers are getting fertilizers at a lower price, basically because there is a subsidy which is behind that lower price. Then even in the case of loan, credit, the rate of interest or lot of concessions are given. Then you take the case of education. Government aided institutions charges lower fees from the students comparing to the unaided section, basically because government is taking care of the salary of the teaching staff. So the burden of the management become less in the case of aided section. Now, in India, more than 45,000 crore is the annual subsidy which is given by the government. I will tell you one interesting example how the subsidy play a very important role. You know that some 5 years before, one gas cylinder was costing around 350 rupees. Now the same gas cylinder is costing 700 plus. What is the reason? When the gas cylinder was received at 350 rupees, government was giving subsidy to the firms which were producing these gas cylinders. Now, because of privatization, government wants to reduce the subsidy. The moment subsidy is reduced, price of the gas cylinder begin to increase. So remember, subsidy play a very important role in the working of an economy. Now the question arises, what is the meaning of the purchase? Government purchases lot of goods and services from the firm for the government sector. Let us take a simple example. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, Mantralaya is, the government secretariat is known as Mantralaya. So government is purchasing 100 computers from Wipro. That is considered as a purchase by the government. Government is purchasing 50 air conditioners from Samsung for Mantralaya. So government is helping the firms in two ways. One is by giving the subsidy, other is by making the purchase. So when government is helping household and the firms, it is a circular flow. Naturally, household and the firms have to help the government. So how does household and the firm help the government? Household and the firm pay tax to the government. Household and the firm pay tax to the government. Let us explain about it further. So the very first flow is, we know that is in the two sector model. Household is the owner of the factors of production. Second flow, firm is giving wages, interest, rent and profit to the household. Third is, firm is producing goods and services to the household sector. Fourth, household is making payment to the firm because household is purchasing goods and services from the firm. Fifth, government. Here is the role of government. Here is the role of government. Government gives salary, pension and other allowances to the household. Government also gives subsidy and make purchases from the firm. Then household pay taxes to the government. Firm also pay taxes to the government.